And the Speaker, I am ready now and in the future to carry the tag of the community. That's why, as you said, I am their leader. And I have no apologies to you. I cannot talk for camel herders.
Yes.
Camel herders in Kitui County. I am a camel owner, and you'll see it in my list of assets.
Yes.
And my camels are in between Isiolo and Garissa County. But there's a historical notion by the leadership of Kitui, Machakos, that the problem of insecurity and camels in Kitui is not something that started today. It is their cherry pick. It's every time they speak, they do that. So I can only speak for my camels.
Of course.
They're in Garissa.
Talk about your camels.
And next time, Mr. Speaker, when you have time, they're doing very well, so I'll take you there. You have a history with Balambala.
Yes.
So you go see your client.
Correct.
And see my camels. Secondly, the same with Taveta. I have no camels in Taveta, so, and I don't know which camels are in Taveta.
That raises the matter.
That raises the matter. On pharmaceutical...
Let him answer. Let him finish with...
On the pharmaceutical, yes, I agree. NEMA has a very strong enforcement...
Hold on, Duale. What's your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, why is it that all camels that are traversing the country, people think belong to Honorable Duale? And there are many camel owners like us.
Simply because he carries the tag of a senior leader from the region. So people associate everything from the region with the leader.
And the Speaker, I am ready now and in the future to carry the tag of the community. That's why, as you said, I am their leader. And I have no apologies to